welcome to Aiden's Toyland. Today I'm gonna make a new Lego City diving yacht, and let's get started. Bag number 1, bag number 2, the boat hull, and then this is the instructions, this is the stickers, and now let's open number 1. Finally, we got our parts. Now let's get building. This is the instructions. So we're gonna build on this page. So now I'm putting on the goggles on the helmet. And this is how it works, like the goggles like this, and then goggles out, and then let's continue building. Okay, now we're done with the scuba diver, and this is how he looks like. Now we're on the second scuba diver, so we're gonna build the other scuba diver. And now this is the camera, this is the little flash bulb, and this is the bigger camera, and then she's gonna hold it. And now I finished the scuba diver, and now we're gonna make the weather buoy. Okay, so this is the stickers that come with. So I'm gonna put the red and white stripes onto the weather buoy's flag, and let's put it on. So now we're gonna do the underwater part. For now, I'm gonna put the sticker on, and I'm gonna put it right here. Oops. So right here is the other sticker. And now I'm gonna open bag number 2. So now we finished our Lego City scuba diving yacht. Here's little crab. Here's the swordfish. Here's the coral reef. Here's the scuba divers. And then here's the weather buoy. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Click the bell, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.